How do you manage to navigate through disputes where culture, religion, and law are relevant, where they meet, where they come together?
Yes, that is one of those sticky situations, isn't it? I think the key, John, is to remain non-judgmental, to really emphasize the listening aspect of it. So a party may say to you, look, I've got a legal issue. When you've listened to the dispute, you realize that actually it's a cultural issue rather than a legal issue, or it might be a religious issue. It might be 2 out of the 3. But in general, most disputes will have some cultural element to them, a religious element, as well as the legal element as well. And it's really about listening very carefully, allowing that person to speak freely, and then trying to very politely and gently inform them that actually their dilemma or their conflict is more based on culture rather than religion, for instance.
Thank you. And I'm getting a question from here in Jamaica. Vivian da Costa's asking you, have you ever handled sexual harassment issues in mediation?
Absolutely. And because the would-be perpetrator has so much to lose, it's best if there's an early intervention of mediation. So that an apology can be rendered, so that the alleged perpetrator can understand the impact of his or her actions, because of course it could be male or female. And that's what brings about transformation, that level of empathy, the providing an opportunity to empathize, whereas litigation and the criminal procedures can often lead to unchanged behavior and resentment towards the person who's made the complaint.
Well, Dr. Zaza Johnson Elsheikh, you have truly embodied the spirit of this conference and started us off in a very good way. As we start off